In the name of Allah, hello students, welcome to our class today. I hope you're doing great as usual. Students, I am Aftabuddin Muzamil Kalakani. I will teach you the computer fundamental subject. Students, the computer fundamental subject is very important. Please pay attention to that. Because if you understand the computer fundamental subject, you will be able to understand all subjects about the computer. Also, students, the computer fundamental subject is very easy and interesting. I'm sure you will enjoy from that subject. Okay, students, let's start our lesson from Unit 1. Students, in the beginning of every unit, we will explain some questions that you find the answers of these questions in your unit. The questions of Unit 1 are the first one, what's computer? Next one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer? Next one, express the history of computer. Next one, who is known as father of modern computer? Next one, express the generation of the computer. Next one, describe types of computer regarding processing data and the speed. And the last question of this unit is describe the usage of computer. Okay, students, let's go ahead. Okay, students, let's to have a definition for computer. Students, as you know, computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as input from the user and processes it under the control of a set of instructions that call it programs and give the result or output to us. Also, students, computer is able to save the data or information for future use. Also, a computer is an electronic device that is designed to work with information. The computer takes information, as you are seeing in your computer screen, take information as input and process the information and then display the result to us. Students, in this way, a computer is similar to a calculator, except that even the smallest computer is much more versatile than the most powerful calculator. A student's computer operates at Amazon fast speeds, with a typical computer processing millions of calculations every second. A computer is a device that you can use to store, manipulate, and display text, number, image, and sounds. Also, students, it's important to say that your telephone, your old calculator, your laptop, your tablet, your iPhone, your iPad, all of them are computer. And overall, students, we can say that every electronic devices that can calculate to us, they call it computer. It's a common definition for the computer, students. Okay, students, let's go ahead. As you know, students, a computer system is made up of both software and hardware. But students, what's software? Do you know something about that? I'm sure. Students, computer software, or simply software, is a collection of data or computer instructions that tell the computer how to work. This is in contrast to physical hardware, from which the system is built and actually performs the work. In computer science and software engineering, computer software is all information processed by computer systems, programs, and data. Computer software includes computer programs, libraries, and related non-executable data, such as online documentation or digital media. Students' computer hardware and software require each other, and neither can be realistically used on its own. It means, students, without hardware, computer will not be able to work, and also without software, computer will not be able to work. Students, the majority of software is written in high-level programming languages. They are easier and more efficient for programmers because they are closer to natural language than machine language. Students' high-level languages are translated into machine language using a compiler or an interpreter, or a combination of the two software may also be written in a low-level assembly language, which has a storing correspondence to the computer machine language instruction and is translated into the machine language using an assembly. Okay, students, let's go ahead. The next maker of the computer is hardware. Okay. Students, hardware refers to the physical elements of a computer, also referred to as the machinery or the equipment of the computer. Examples of hardware in a computer are the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse, and the processing unit. However, most of computers' hardware cannot be seen. It's inside the computer case. Also, other computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. There are many different kinds of hardware that can be installed inside and connected to the outside of a computer. Some computers hardware is shown in the figure as you are seeing that, like a web camera, like a scanner, like printer, access point, like keyboard, like flash, like case, like hard disk, and others. Okay, students, it was our lesson today. Please pay attention to your homework. The first question of your homework is, what do you think about your smartphone and a simple calculator or the computer? And the next question of your homework is, can computer work with the software? And the last question of your homework is, research about characteristics of your computer. Okay, students, it was our lesson today. Please do your homework and share with me in the comments or in my email. And also, if you have any problem in my lesson, please share with me your problem in the comments. I will solve your problem. Tomorrow we will start our lesson from functionalities of a computer. Okay, students, have a good time. Good luck.